Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the ShopRite app. So let's get started. So to download and installing is very easy. You have to follow these easy methods. So if you are an iOS user, then you can directly use your Apple Store. If you are a Android user, then you have to open your Google Play Store, or you can directly search on your web as well how to download it. So I will just go to the web and I will directly search for the ShopRite app. So here I can see the ShopRite app. So to download it, you will directly click on the install button, and from here it will be automatically download and installed in your phone. So by this way you can just download and install the ShopRite app in your phone, and if you want to give the ratings, you can also give the ratings from here as well. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.